Hi, it's John, Coast Mesa R&D. Today I have a Mitsubishi flywheel on the resurfacer here. We're going to resurface this. But I wanted to show you what happens here when you take and put your Loctite or thread locker on the bolts and then push it into the back of the crankshaft. As you can see, there's buildup areas here where the thread sealer has actually gotten between the flywheel and the crankshaft. This is a no-no. So just another reminder on what not to do. Put the thread locker inside the crankshaft first in the threads and then stick the bolt in. If you have any questions about this, give me a call here at Coast Mesa R&D. We'll see you soon.